Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories in here in Margate, Florida. And you know I love showing you guys new stuff. What am I talking about? So come on over here and let's see what I'm talking about. Well, I'm Chris, and guess what? We have another Chris here from AccuAir Suspension, and I don't want to steal his thunder, so I'm going to let him tell you guys what he has here. So here's the mic.
Thank you. Thank you. So as Chris mentioned, Chris with AccuAir Suspension. Right here we have our brand new air suspension kit for the Jeep JL. So we launched our JL kit at SEMA this year. We're also coming out with the Jeep Gladiator JT and then also the new full-size Ford Bronco. So on our Jeep kit here, we've got a full, as I mentioned, full air ride suspension kit that is fully adjustable. So right now it's sitting at about stock height. It will go up to 6 inches above stock height to 2 inches below stock height. So if you'd like, I could do a demonstration real quick.
Let's take a look here. I love stuff like this. Hey look, it's out of my truck now.
So, and as I mentioned, fully bolt-on kit, comes with all the airbags, hydraulic shocks, ride height sensors, and then right here is our fully wired billet remote that is also magnetic, where you have 3 ride height presets that you can run. You can also control front and rear independently, each corner independently. And then we also have it on a iPhone or excuse me, an Apple or a Android app as well that you can download on your phone with the same functionality as what this does.
Look at that, John. Wow. So where's that right now? Get in there and show that suspension there. Absolutely beautiful setup, huh? I tell you, Chris, I really like this. This is really nice.
Thank you.
Now, how low can this go?
So it will go 2 inches below.
Okay.
As you can see, I'm trying to reach in.
Uh-huh. And what do you have on here? You got 37?
37 1350s. So
Oh, nice. I tell you, what I like about this, as you know, when you're on the highway, you know, my truck being lifted fairly high,
right.
you know, you get a lot of wind resistance. And what's nice about this, you can lower this down when you're on the highway and probably get you a little better gas mileage. But when you want to cruise to that Jeep and truck show, you want to show off at that height, that's great. Of course, off-roading, I mean, that's a wonderful setup. You have the best of both worlds right there.
Yeah, you could pull in a normal garage at home, go
Yeah.
through the ATM. You can go through drive-through restaurants easier to get the top and doors off, easier to get kids in and out.
Wow, this is great. And what's nice about this company, they're here in Florida, so, and I'll be buying directly from them. So it won't, if you like this, you know, you don't have a long lead time. Of course, there's shortages here and there, so, but on average, it won't be too bad. And I think it's terrific. So when we're doing your wheels and tires, and you want to really give you an upgrade suspension, not just a regular lift, an upgrade. This is the way to go. I gotta say, I'm impressed. I hope you're as impressed as I am. I think this looks absolutely terrific, and it's just cool as hell. Yeah, just go ahead and bring it up one more time. Really, really nice. I gotta say, I love it. This is wonderful. And I tell you, if you see something you like, you can call us here at the store. As you know, our website will be at the bottom here. This probably won't be listed on our website right away, so my recommendation is to call John, who's behind the camera. Ask for me, Chris, Dave, Buddy, whoever answers the phone. We'll be glad to help you out with any questions you might have. Again, I'm impressed. I think it's a great quality product. Someone else is happy. As you know from all our YouTube videos, everybody wants to be in it. So, but again, you can give us a call at the store, go to the website. If it's not there, of course, you can always come into our store. That's right. We're not just online. We have a brick and mortar store. You can come here, you can talk in person with us. We got a beautiful showroom, and we can go into details on this. Again, if you like what you see, subscribe. You know what? Stay up to date. As you know, we put out a lot of content. We have 2,500 plus videos out there. So we're always putting new stuff out for you. So if you subscribe to the channel, you come up and you get to see cool stuff like this. So definitely subscribe. And of course, hit that like button. Costs you nothing, and it makes a big difference for us. Again, this is Chris with AccuAir Suspension.
AccuAir Suspension.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Thank you.